So we are given this equation x plus y to the power x to the power n plus y to the power n equal to x plus 1 to the power x to the power n into y plus 1 y to the power n. So we need to solve it for x and y. So for this kind of problem, we have to take natural logarithm. So we'll take ln x plus y to the power x to the power n plus y to the power n is equal to ln x plus 1 x to the power n into, so it will be y plus 1 y to the power n. Now we can take this x to the power n plus y to the power n in front of this term, so we can write equal ln x plus y is equal to, so these two terms are in multiplication, so we can write it as ln x plus 1 to the power x to the power n plus ln y plus 1 to the power y to the power n. Again we'll write this as ln x plus y is equal to, we can take this term in front of this ln x plus 1, so we'll write it down y to the power n ln y plus 1. We find this, then we'll multiply. So x to the power n ln x plus y plus y to the power n ln x plus y is equal to x to the power ln x to the power n ln x plus 1 plus y to the power n ln y plus 1. So what will we do? We'll transfer this x here and transfer this y this side. So it will be x to the power n ln x plus y minus x to the power n ln x plus 1 is equal to y to the power n ln y plus 1 minus y to the power n ln x plus y. Now we will take xn common, so it will be x to the power n ln x plus y minus ln x plus 1 and y to the power n ln y plus 1 minus ln x plus y. We can write it down. So now we can write x to the power n ln, and this is in minus, so we'll write x plus y divided by x plus 1 is equal to y to the power n ln y plus 1 divided by x plus y. We can write it down. So we'll write x to the power n ln x plus y divided by x plus 1 minus y to the power n ln y plus 1 divided by x plus y is equal to 0. We just transfer this term from right to left. So x to the power n ln x plus y plus 1. Now what can we do? We can make it plus y to the power n ln, and as we make it plus, it will be x plus y divided by y plus 1 equal to 0. So now we have total 4 terms: x to the power n ln this term, y to the power n, and this term, and this total summation will be 0. That means this value will be 0, this value will be 0. Now look at this. First we will check whether x to the power n and y to the power n will be 0 or not. Assume x equal to 0, assume, and n is the subset of n, so n will never be 0, n will be like 1 2 3 and so on. So now if x equal to 0, what will happen here? Ln y by y plus 1. What does that mean? That means this ln term will be negative because y plus 1 is always greater than y, so it will be negative, so the total value will be negative. And as x equal to 0, so it will be 0 and this will be negative, but the right side is 0, so it will not be solution of this problem. And for y equal to 0, we will get here ln x, oh sorry, it will be x. So for y equal to 0, we will get x by x plus 1, and that's again the same case. So we can show 0, it's not possible. So that means this will not be 0 and this will not be 0. So the remaining is ln x plus y, x plus 1 will be 0 and this one will be 0. Ln x plus y by y plus 1 is equal to 0. So, and the base is here e, it will be e. So if we want to eliminate this ln, we can simply write x plus 1 is equal to what? It will come this side and this will be power, and here it will be same, y plus 1 is equal to e to the power 0. So it will be 1. So x plus y is equal to x plus 1. So x will be cancelled out. So y is equal to 1. And here it will be again 1. So x plus y is equal to y plus 1. So x is equal to also 1. So x is equal to y is equal to 1. And this is our solution.